Okay, it's recording. Alright, today I will be unboxing this thing. This is my first Gundam figure, and I think it's something that I have to build myself. But I bought it on a whim last year in December, and I think it cost like $350. But we will see. It says for ages 15 plus below. Let me see. Okay. There's the sides. Wing Gundam Eel. Bottom here. Side. Top. Alright. So where do I open it from? Probably the top, right? Okay. Oh, well, is it pre-built? Okay, so we got this. Is my camera focusing on it? I cannot tell. Then this. So I'll put this to the side for now, and then let's see what's inside here. Okay, so we got this little booklet. And we'll take a look at that in a bit. And then this styrofoam casing, and that is it for the box. Alright, so what is in this styrofoam casing here? Oh, okay, so it is pre-built. I thought that it was something that I would have to assemble myself. So I bought like a whole Gundam model kit and everything, but it is pre-built, which is kind of a shame because I wanted to build it myself actually. So that's awkward. I really thought this was a kit that I would have to build myself. Okay then. Alright, let's just continue this. So we got this model. And yeah, this is pretty dense. Wow. Oh god, I think I'm offending like a million Gundam fans. I am not familiar with the series at all. I just wanted to buy a kit so I could build it. So the fact that it came fully assembled is kind of awkward for me. But here it is, if you are interested in what the final product looks like. Can it stand? Oh yes, it can stand by itself. Okay. So there's that, and then let's put this back in here for now. Okay, so let's look at what this book is all about. Early color version. Where is it? Okay, here it is. Crap, okay, I didn't want a fully assembled one. I wanted to build it myself. Okay. So it comes with, yeah, those accessories that I'm guessing I could assemble, and then there are some finger configurations that I can make it do. Interesting. So, let's see here. Fingers. Oh no, not these ones, I bet. But the other ones. And actually the paint job, I would say, is alright. But you do see here that there's some... It's not like as perfect as you'd like, so... Let me see, are there some imperfections here and there? I bet there are. I've seen some people like go all out and like paint these as well. I'm kind of afraid to yank this apart. I would be more confident if I built it myself. But oh wow, it goes all the way. Actually, there are screws here as well. Some parts do feel like metal. Like I think the bottom here kind of feels metalish. Okay. Alright, stay there. Let's see what else is in this book here. Right, so we got the fingers, which are on this one. Oh. Alright, so the fingers are, or the hands are here. Oh, okay, so there's 3 different configurations for the 3 different openings. So fully closed, half closed, and fully and fisted. I see. Okay, let's see what the next page has. Oh, so these things here move upwards, can be moved up like that. I see, okay. And then this can be moved all the way 90 degrees, which feels a bit iffy. I'm a bit worried about these parts. Oh, the skirt does move up a bit. Okay, and then you can... Actually, let's take apart this plastic stuff. Okay. So then there's the underwear shot of the Gundam. And I apologize for the fireworks that you're hearing. It is July 4th here in the States. Okay, so this does rotate, but it is a bit hard to do so. Yeah, I think some of these parts are metal, because if you look in there. You see that is metallic, but then, you know, that could be paint as well. So, yeah. Oh, there's this back thing. Not sure what this back thing is for. Maybe that's for the wings. I know that this part here can, or I know that there exists Gundam where this thing here lights up. I wonder if this has the ability to light up as well. Okay, so let's go through these other parts. So it got some gills that you can attach to the Gundam. So these parts here are gills, and then you can attach it. And then you can attach, oh, the fins here. So the fins can be expanded a bit more. That's interesting. Okay, so these are fins, and then if I... Oh, yep, okay, so these can go up a bit. I see, okay. Well, that's cool. Oh, oh. Okay. Yeah, it's a really exquisite model. I would appreciate it much more if I could build it myself. And I'm not sure what that is. What is that? What is it trying to tell me here? So this can open up? Is that what it's saying? Okay, nope, I cannot tell. There's a backside here, so these legs here can be expanded, I think. How does that work? That can go up, so this can be expanded to the side. Oh, yep, so this can expand to the side like that. And then this thing here can go up, apparently. Yep, so this can go up. Okay, that's like... So even the feet got gills as well? Okay, and then you can close this. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna lie it still, like that. Alright. So there's a shield with batteries, I think. And then, okay, so there's these wings that you can attach to it, and you can attach the shield as well. And then there's this hanger thing. Okay, so you do that, and then you can put it, you can make it stand up by putting this up the Gundam's butt and then holding it up. Okay, and then there are these hands here to hold it up. Cool. Alright, and then we got this gun here. And there's some other stuff that you can do. Okay. Yeah, this is just showing off a bunch of different configurations that you can make the model do. Oh, these can go up as well. Okay, I see. Okay. There's this jetpack that you can attach to the Gundam, I think. And then, oh wait, no, that's not a jetpack. It's like, I'm not sure what it's called. It's like a shield for the head. Okay, so there's this other suicide diving pose that it can do. See that? Suicide pose. Okay. And that is all for the book. Okay. Cool. Well, anyways, just go back and show you all of the stuff that I got from this model. So I got the Gundam itself, these other accessories here, and then this accessory here. So this is everything from the pack. To be honest, I'm a bit disappointed because I wanted to build the Gundam myself. So yeah. Alright. Thanks for watching. Bye.